If you are experiencing little or no steam, here are some tips. Your water tank may be empty. Refill your water tank before plugging in. Next, check to see if your foot is securely in place. Press the colored foot pedal on the back and lift the body off. Then reattach until it clicks into place. Make sure you are using a working outlet. You will know if the ready light begins to blink when plugged in. Wait for the blinking light to go solid. Then you will press the steam on/off button and select a steam level. An important thing to remember is that you will not see an abundance of steam coming from your PowerFresh Deluxe, as the steam is directed toward the floor to deliver the best cleaning results. Next, check your scented disc tray. Push it all the way in until it's flush. We hope these quick tips get steam back with your PowerFresh Deluxe.
Concentrated steam cleans your floors and helps take care of tough spots, dried up messes, and stuck-on stains. All without chemicals. That makes mopping easy, fast, and less of a chore. Say goodbye to long drying times. The Genius Mop Head's advanced maneuverability gives you incredible under and around furniture reach. And the Steam Blaster technology tackles stuck-on stains and messes with a simple flip of the mop head. Steam is the perfect way to clean your sealed hard floors.
Introducing the BISSELL Symphony. It's the revolutionary floor cleaner that vacuums and steam mops at the same time. Now you don't have to compromise. You get excellent vacuum performance and excellent steam mop performance. Look at how the Symphony vacuums up this mess better than this expensive Dyson. And here you can see how the Symphony gives you superior cleaning power over the Shark Steam Mop. And unlike other machines that require you to go through 2 steps, the Symphony vacuums and steam mops at the same time. It's the only one that's all in one. Plus, the Symphony's steam eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria without using any harmful chemicals. So now you can get rid of all these other tools because you can get it all with the Symphony. Use high steam for vinyl, linoleum, tile, and those really tough sticky messes. Use low steam for sealed hardwoods, laminates, and everyday messes and cleaning. The microfiber mop pads have microband protection to keep them fresher and cleaner, while the easy-release mop pad tray makes it so simple to change pads. And of course, they're reusable. Just throw them in the wash so you can use them over and over again. Our dry tank technology keeps moisture out of the dust cup, and it's so easy to empty. The adjustable handle makes the Symphony easy to use and store. And at just 10.5 pounds with an extra long cord, the Symphony easily goes anywhere in your home. So if you're using a broom or a stick vac, if you're using a mop and bucket or a steam mop, if you're looking for a faster, more convenient way to get your floors barefoot clean, you need to get a Symphony.